Hey, good day. Mike Mata here. Going to show you how to use Wireshark for looking at a security event. Again, one of my favorite places to go, malware traffic analysis. But here's my website, mnex.biz. Lots of videos over here. You can click on the videos tab or the frame header spreadsheet if you want the spreadsheet that has all of the wonderful information in it regarding like Windows, how to use Wireshark. All the different protocol headers are in here. So again, you can grab this spreadsheet from my website. Got the IP header in it, TCP header, all that stuff. Great place. That's where you get that from, just so you know. mnex.biz. Again, videos over here. Okay, let's roll. So I went to malwaretrafficanalysis.net, grabbed a file, and we're going to look at it using Wireshark, and then we'll carve out the information and send it up to Virustotal and see what it sees. So here's the file I opened, and we see starts a connection, get this Sego HTTP 1.1 from non-udo.top, and then we see information being returned. A lot of stuff there. So I don't see the 200 OK, and that's because that's at the very bottom. So we could find http.response response code equals 200, and there it is, http 200 OK. We get the 200 OK, and we just get a bunch of stuff. So I'm going to clear my filter. And in that 200 OK, oh, actually, I really want to use that or take a look at that and show you that in that 200 OK, that's because it's at the bottom. It's the way that Wireshark is set up. I need to go to the top where it actually makes that request. Again, because my Wireshark is set up the way it is with HTTP, so I can carve out information. There's the get we see in this segment of reassembled PDU here. Here's the 200 coming back. So HTTP 1.1, 200 OK. And we're going to look through here, and it says content length is 483,328 bytes. That's a lot. So the other thing we're going to look at is right here, which this is kind of ugly, this MZ. MZ, if we go over, and the other sort of piece of this is MZ says this program cannot be run in DOS mode. This is bad. This is somebody downloading an executable through HTTP. And again, I'm going to just take you over to file signatures. I showed you this in the other video. If we search for MZ, the other video was talking about JPEGs. Here, if we search for MZ, this is a Windows DOS executable file. Excuse me. Again, we're looking for this 4D 5A, sort of tells us, that's a DOS executable, portable executable. So we can actually look for that in the hex window there in Wireshark, and that's really the key. So if we look right there at the end of that particular line, 4D 5A right here that I'm sort of circling around with the mouse, that's how Wireshark knows this is a MZ. That's the program. And we can actually build a filter for that, and this is one of those I would encourage you. I already have it built because it's one of my security filters that I use, and I'll just pop down and grab that one where we have a malware contains MZ. So my filter is frame contains MZ, which is that sort of file signature there for an executable, and it also contains the word DOS. That's kind of the two things I'm looking for. And if I find that, then I automatically think, that's bad. Somebody's trying to download an executable to the client machine via, whatever, HTTP, FTP, something that it shouldn't be doing it in. So we can actually carve this out. Let's clear that filter. Since we now know that there's an executable being downloaded, we can say File, Export Objects, HTTP, and there's our 483K file. We can save that as, we'll put that over here, and we'll just say Sego. Sure, that's fine. Save. And done. Ooh. Okay. Even my Sophos antivirus just triggered when I tried to save that, saying that's threat detected in there. So that's good. Let's go see if we can't find it now. There it is, Sego. And go to Malware or Virustotal and drop that file in there. So let's make this a little smaller. Oh no. Let's make this a little smaller. Okay, let's upload this file to Virustotal and see what it sees. We saved it in public. There it is, Sego. Let's open that one. Ooh, and so it says it's seen this several times, obviously. Different engines detect this as bad. Trojan, generic KD, Win32, UR sniff. So we've seen this several times. Different antivirus engines. Even mine detected it when my Sophos engine, when I tried to access that file. So there you go. Short little video on how to carve out a file, malware, and save it up to Virustotal and have it check it out for you. Hope that was beneficial. Thanks for listening. Make it a great day.